Namaste and welcome. Let us begin by gently closing the eyes and sitting upright in a comfortable posture. Take a slow, deep breath in and breathe out, opening the mouth slightly. Another slow and deep breath in. Breathe out, letting go of any physical tension. One more slow and deep breath. And breathe out completely. Become aware of the body. Observe the entire body as a single entity. We will now induce relaxation throughout the body. Bring the awareness to the top of head. Relaxing the top of head. Moving to the sides of the head. Back of head. Relaxing the entire scalp. Relaxing the ears. Soften the forehead. Space between eyebrows. Eyelids. Cheeks. Jaws. Separating the jaws. Softening the tongue. Creating space in the mouth. Soften the lips. Relaxing the entire face. Relaxing the front of neck, throat center, and the back of neck. Relaxing the shoulders, allowing the shoulders to drop, softening the upper arms, elbows, forearms, wrists, hands, and fingers. Now relaxing the back and the spine. Relax the upper back, the middle back, and the lower back. Relaxing the front of torso, softening the chest, relaxing the abdomen, relaxing the hip, thighs, knees, calf muscles, ankles, feet, and the toes. Feel the whole body completely relaxed from the top of the head to the tips of the toes. Now bring the awareness back to the present moment. Notice how you feel, physically and mentally. and blink open the eyes with a gentle smile. Welcome back. Releasing physical tension with an increased awareness of the body helps us relax physically and also mentally. Take care, and I will see you soon. Hari Om Tat Sat.